How to deactivate your account on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your account on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down. Here you will find settings, click on it and then just click personal and account information, and now click account ownership and control, and here just click deactivation and deletion. And if you want to deactivate your account just click continue and type your password here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.